In a dramatic turn of events, a federal appeals court has ruled that a judge overstepped his bounds by initiating contempt proceedings against officials from the Trump administration regarding deportation flights. This decision, which has sparked controversy and debate, has significant implications for the balance of power between the judiciary and the executive branch. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, in a 2-1 ruling, determined that the judge had exceeded his authority. The majority opinion, penned by 2 Trump appointees, questioned the judiciary's control over executive functions such as foreign policy and criminal prosecution. This ruling overturns a previous finding by Chief Judge James Boasberg, who had cited probable cause for criminal contempt against officials for deporting alleged gang members after he had ordered a halt to such actions. Attorney General Pamela Bondi hailed the decision as a major victory for the Trump administration's deportation plans, posting on X, a popular social media platform. She emphasized the administration's commitment to winning in court for President Trump's agenda to keep America safe. However, Lee Gallant, a lawyer with the American Civil Liberties Union, representing plaintiffs challenging the deportations, expressed disappointment in the ruling. He noted that even Justice Department lawyers were aware that the deportees should not have been removed from the country. Gallant stated that they would consider all options moving forward. President Donald Trump and his allies have been vocal critics of Judge Boasberg, previously respected in Washington, calling for his impeachment and filing a misconduct complaint against him. The administration has faced similar claims of non-compliance with court orders, leading to ongoing legal battles. Judge Greg Katsas, one of the Trump appointees, highlighted the unsettled issue of whether the judiciary can impose criminal contempt for violating injunctions entered without jurisdiction. Judge Naomi Rao, the other Trump appointee, deemed Boasberg's contempt order especially egregious due to its implications for senior government officials and the president's foreign affairs authority. In her dissent, Judge Nina Pillard, an Obama appointee, argued that government officials appeared to have defied Boasberg's order. She stressed the importance of legal challenges to court orders rather than defiance, emphasizing the system's reliance on adherence to judicial rulings. The underlying dispute revolves around the Trump administration's use of the Alien Enemies Act, a rarely invoked 18th century law. Critics have raised concerns about potential violations of a verbal order from Boasberg, which led to 2 flights carrying alleged gang members landing in Honduras and El Salvador despite the order. The Supreme Court later vacated Boasberg's original decision, stating that he had followed the wrong legal process. Despite this, Boasberg proceeded with contempt proceedings, which is the focus of the appeals court's decision. The case had been on hold for months, with Democrats expressing concerns about delays potentially influenced by the Senate confirmation of Emil Bove, a key figure in the case, to a federal judgeship. Whistleblowers allege that Bove suggested ignoring court orders to execute deportation plans, a claim the Justice Department denied. This ruling not only affects the immediate legal proceedings, but also raises broader questions about the limits of judicial power and the executive's role in enforcing court orders. It invites a deeper conversation about the checks and balances within the U.S. government and the potential for future legal challenges in similar cases.